In this video, we will learn about Asset Infinity's retail asset management. Let us understand how everything can be done in one place from procurement to deployment with retail inventory management. Assets may get damaged, lost, or need to be replaced when technology changes. Retail inventory management takes care of assets and monitors them frequently. Organizations face a lot of problems in the procurement and deployment process. Our system eases the whole process. Asset Infinity offers a complete solution from procurement to deployment and post-deployment operations. Let us understand how you will be able to store all the information related to your assets in one place with the help of Asset Infinity's retail asset management software. Our software keeps track of the asset and all essential deployment information such as date and quantity of deployment when it was deployed and who deployed it. It records details such as brand, category of asset, and purchase details with the asset tags and labels. Other crucial information related to each asset. You can easily track asset movements between the warehouse and outlet and geo-tag the asset to get the exact coordinates on a map. Sometimes the assets get damaged and you need to replace them. With the help of our system you can easily raise a replacement. You can also mark the asset's asset status as damaged or replacement requested. Let us now understand what benefits you will get if you will use our retail asset management software. With easy procurement and deployment registry, a lot of time is being saved which can be utilized by focusing on core activities. With the help of the right information in hand, which is true in its nature, enhances the productivity of employees and assets. In our system it is easy to generate automated reports which give you an overall idea of the status of all your assets. At last, let us understand how the data will help you in productivity optimization. In our software you can store outlet details like outlet name, billing details, and contact person. You can also link outlets with their distributor and service partners, which makes it easy to find who is accountable for what. Once the deployer logs into the mobile app, they will be able to see a list of outlets assigned to them, which removes all the chaos. Schedule a demo today or sign up for a free trial.